Hey, Allie, I'm Gordy. Nice to meet you.
This place is huge. What is happening?
Yeah, this is essentially the Burning Man for private pilots.
Okay, so all the plane nerds are here.
Absolutely.
Right?
People everywhere, yep.
I can't wait to see some stuff. Let's go look.
Yeah, let's do that.
Okay.
Cool, go this way.
Oscar Tower, Sky Class E2800, holding at L.
This is crazy. I have never seen anything
That's right.
of this scope. I mean, how many planes are here at a time?
So there's 10,000 planes here, spanning everything from classic planes to true experimental aircraft to more traditional aircraft. There's an F-86, that's like a Korean War era jet, has GE engines in it.
Oh, wow. Now, what is this?
So over here on the left, we have a B-29 Superfortress. This was actually used in World War II.
What aspects mechanically are GE made on this?
Yeah, so we made the turbo superchargers. It's a small piece of machinery that sits in front of the reciprocating engines, and it pressurizes the air so that they could fly very fast at high altitude to get over target, do what they need to do, and then get back to safety. But really, what it wanted to be able to do is fly high enough to be above all the fighters. So this was really the first turbo machinery that GE built. And after this, we then started developing whole aircraft engines. So this is really where we kind of all got our start. So this airplane right here coming up on the right, this is a Thrush 510G, and it has an H80 engine in it. This is one of the engines that we make.
Okay.
And we actually have one in the chalet.
Oh, you do?
Yep. So this is the H80. This is an engine that was originally designed back in the 1960s. But we've just continuously improved it over the last 50 plus years. It just keeps getting better and better and better. And it's really a fantastic engine up to about 850 horsepower.
What came next after this?
So let's go over to the next one, the next link in the chain.
Ooh, what is this?
So this is the T700. This was designed back in the 1980s. You can see it's more complex. It's a more powerful engine than the last one we looked at. This is really used primarily for helicopters like the Apache and the Black Hawk. This is basically state-of-the-art today. Now let's go look at what we're going to do tomorrow.
The future.
The future. Yes. All right, so this is the advanced turboprop. And what we've done here is we've taken all of the best technology and learnings from those last two engines, plus everything we've learned on the large commercial engines, and we put it into this.
So what's different about this engine?
Two things that really make this engine different, and that's one, there's extensive use of additive manufacturing.
Oh, okay.
And then the other thing is this has a digital engine control.
What is digital engine control?
The planes that we saw on our ride, basically they all have a hydromechanical control, which means the pilot has to make a decision on everything. So they're independently controlling the propeller, they're controlling the engine.
Right.
So what this does is it simplifies all that into an electronic control, and that frees up the pilot to think about other things, so they can really fly the aircraft instead of flying the engine.
Is this GE's first turboprop engine with additive manufacturing?
It's really the world's first engine with extensive use of additive. Basically, we took 855 parts that would normally exist if we did it conventionally, and condensed that down to just 12 parts. You know, parts that are large, complex assemblies that have to have people assemble those things together, and those parts add weight, they wear out, and they create leakage paths, which robs the performance and efficiency of the engine. So the end result that you have here is a combination of technologies that we've really never used on small engines before.
What do these parts look like?
Okay, so we have some over in the cabinet over here if you want to go take a look.
Yeah, let me see.
So this is a fuel heater. So fuel goes in here, and engine oil goes in here, and heats the fuel.
Now, this is one part?
This is one part, that's right.
How many parts would you usually
So normally this would be about 300.
300 parts?
That's right. Yep.
Is it lightweight?
It is, so it's about half the weight it would normally be.
So this is one part now.
One part.
That is such a victory.
Runway 36 cleared for takeoff.
Well, this was an awesome, cool day.
Yeah, thanks for coming. It was really a great day. I hope you enjoyed it.
So I guess there's like nowhere to go but up.